Today we're doing oil change on a Craftsman T85. So we got 2 liters at 1030, funnel, appropriate oil filter. This Craftsman comes with a draining tube for the oil. And it's for oil recovery there. And of course, as always, oil change is a 2-beer job. There, got the jug set up for oil recovery. This is unique about the Craftsman. It has this little drain port. It's kind of nice. Alright, so I got my handy dandy wrench here, and we're going to remove this oil filter. Should come down. There we go. Oh shit. Okay, stop it. Okay, new filter, a little bit of oil around the gasket. And there she goes. Maybe. Alright, that's it. Okay, so for this particular model, 1400 milliliters of 1030. Hold that funnel so it doesn't fall out. There you go. Nice and slow. Okay, fire it up. Okay, so that was an oil change on the Craftsman T85. Like I said, it's a 2-beer job.